In this video, we'll explore the annual calendar heat map, which visualizes data trends throughout the year using color gradients to represent values for specific dates. Let's get started. First, we add the super filter to the report and position it as needed. Next, we populate the category field with the date column and the others field with DAX measure to display the heat map. By default, this displays the date slider in the report. To better understand the annual calendar heat map, we need to switch to month view. To do this, go to the Date Filter section in the Format pane and select Calendar View under Selection Style. By default, the Calendar Controls option is enabled, but we can disable it. The calendar view is initially set to month range, but we can change it to month view for an annual calendar. Now, you can see that the calendar is in month view with the heat map, but currently, only one month is visible in the filter. To display the entire year, we set the month count to 12, allowing us to view the full annual calendar within the filter. For better visualization, we rotate the layout and disable the display measure value, day header, and dates toggles. Here, we also have the option to customize the heat map colors within the filter. This allows us to easily change the color scheme of the heat map as needed. And that's it. You can now see how easily we can create an annual calendar heat map using the super filter without any complex DAX measures or workarounds. In addition, we can display variants to highlight deviations based on the previous period or target. To do this, we go to the Format pane, enable the Display Variance option, and turn off the Icon Mode toggle for better visualization. For calculation type, there are two options. The period versus last period option compares the current period with the immediately preceding period, while the period over period option compares the current period to the same period in the previous year. By enabling the variance configuration option, you can choose whether to display positive variance, negative variance. This makes it easy to analyze trends and variations within the annual calendar heat map. The annual calendar heat map turns daily data into a year-round story with color-driven insights. Spot trends, seasonality, and outliers, all in one powerful, interactive view. Download the Inforiver Super Filter today to unlock its powerful filtering capabilities. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.